Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. Acid-catalyzed rearrangement of spiro-epoxy ketones, main world rearrangement semipinacol type rearrangement. Moving on to the next step. The starting material is a spiro compound containing an epoxide ring at the junction of a cyclohexane ring and a cyclopentanone ring. Specifically, it is a dispyro compound where the epoxide carbon is spirofused to cyclohexane and the adjacent carbon of the epoxide bears the cyclopentanone ring. The carbonyl is on the cyclopentane ring adjacent to the epoxide. Moving on to the next step. Under H+ conditions, the epoxide is protonated, generating a carbocation or oxocarbenium ion at the more substituted carbon. The tertiary carbocation forms at the spirocarbon connecting the epoxide to the cyclohexane ring. And for the final step, a C-to-C bond from the cyclohexane ring migrates to the adjacent carbocation center. This ring expansion of the cyclohexane ring by one carbon or contraction of cyclopentanone leads to ring expansion. Alternatively, the cyclopentane C-to-C bond migrates into the epoxide-opened carbocation. The rearrangement results in ring expansion where the cyclopentanone ring expands and the cyclohexane ring contracts, or the migration leads to a spirodiactone. The net result of the semipinacol type 1,2 shift in this spiro-epoxy ketone system is formation of spiro 4.5 decane 1,6 dione, a spiro compound with both cyclohexanone and cyclopentanone rings, A1, 6 diactone in the spiro system, corresponding to option A. Option B, A1, 2 diactone on the cyclopentane ring would require a different mechanism and is not the expected semipinacol product. Option C, although superficially similar to A, this represents a different connectivity of the two ketone groups relative to the spiro center. Option D, an open chain or non-spiro product is not expected from an intramolecular rearrangement of a spiro epoxide. The semipinacol rearrangement of the spiro-epoxy cyclopentanone with the fused cyclohexane gives spiro 4.5 decane 1,6 dione as the major product, which is option A. Therefore, the correct answer is A. Therefore, the correct answer is option A.